his career is moving in the right direction again.
Ronnie O'Sullivan 1. Seven.
He means business tonight. I mean, he obviously does anyway, but I think that certain shot he would have played left-handed.
15. 23. 29. 36. 37. 45.
From teenager to veteran, he's always been the same. Electric.
52. 53. 60. 61.
Yeah, I mean, I know the black was
69.
frame ball, but the positional side of that last shot was something to behold. He's got it all going on tonight, as O'Sullivan. All the flicks and tricks and kicks are all working out to perfection. One of those nights. I mean, he's had a lot of them, but
84.
it's going to be like this all the way to the winning line tonight. Whoever gets there, we don't know. But what we do have is a wonderful snooker match.
If he gets to three figures,
92.
it will be the 13th
93.
time, Alan, he's made 2 centuries or more in a match against Ding. The stats are just mind-boggling. Just popping out after this frame, Alan, to get myself a thesaurus. I've run out of superlatives.
106.
I mean, I don't know. We're going to need a bigger table, something, to stop this kind of standard.
110.
Just incredible.
115. 121.